Welcome to Sumitomo Drive Technologies, where we go above and beyond to provide our customers with top-of-the-line solutions that meet their complex needs. With over 130 years of experience in the industry, our tradition of excellence continues to thrive in our state-of-the-art facility in Verona, Virginia. Step inside our impressive 72,000 square foot facility, where our team of industry-leading engineers design and our expert technicians meticulously assemble custom units with unparalleled precision and attention to detail. Our facility is equipped with not one, but two main assembly areas, each boasting 4 bay doors and dedicated overhead cranes to ensure that every gearbox is crafted with the utmost care. Our skilled assemblers take pride in their work, customizing their work areas to suit their individual needs and ensuring that every order is filled with the customer in mind. We meticulously clean and inspect high-quality parts before performing custom modifications to ensure a perfect fit. At Sumitomo Drive Technologies, we take pride in being able to fulfill in-process orders quickly and efficiently. That's why we maintain an extensive inventory of parts and components at our distribution center. This inventory, combined with our state-of-the-art facility in Verona, Virginia, allows us to provide our customers with the high-quality solutions they need to keep their businesses moving forward. But that's not all. Once assembly is complete, we put our gearboxes to the test, checking for temperature, vibration, and noise to ensure that they operate exactly as they should. And when it comes to our largest gearboxes, our paint booth is ready to handle the job, leaving every product looking as impressive as it performs. In our final assembly area, we bring everything together by accessorizing the gearboxes, installing couplings and drive packages with motor mounts, and staging our products for shipping. We perform one final quality inspection to ensure that every product is ready to go out the door and exceed our customers' expectations. At Sumitomo Drive Technologies, our commitment to quality is evident in every step of our process. Trust us to provide you with high-quality solutions you need to keep your business moving forward. Contact us today and let us help you achieve your goals.